This video provides practical solutions for factories with the need for machine maintenance. Is your factory facing these problems? Challenges in accessing maintenance information quickly and remotely when needed. Risk of data loss due to damaged, misplaced, or destroyed physical records. Cannot monitor equipment conditions, working status, and expenses, and track inventory in real time. The technician needs to search for the information and bring documents with instructions. He will have to record the status of the equipment after completing. Overlapping between production and maintenance schedules. Don't worry. We have just the right solution for your factory. Pocket V all-in-one ERP solutions. You can access maintenance information remotely and in real time. Here is the equipment entry, which shows a list of equipment and the basic information. You can also view the maintenance history and details of the equipment from the Equipment History and Equipment Details menu. You can also track information in the Job Pool menu. Moreover, when the job is created, it will automatically move to this menu according to the specific location. The technician can sort the location, then pick a job and work on it. Your factory has now improved the tracking and management of time, expense, materials, transaction history. Because you can record the technician's working time, including the date, time, job information, completion, in the time entry now. For better tracking inventory, you can open the issue and return materials transaction, which shows the inventory information related to the maintenance job. You are now transforming all your paper documents into digital work. Here's a list of tasks for the technician to follow up on. It can also record the status and time of each step. Then you can enter the form, which is a checklist for the technicians based on equipment inspection. You can track the maintenance plan and allocate resources easily. You can manage the maintenance plan and resources by selecting the equipment on the multi-resource scheduling board. This screen also shows you the pictures of the equipment. Pocket V enhances your factory efficiency. Learn more at www.datavtech.com.